How to add smart delays in ManyChat. So first go to your account and then just click on automations here at the bottom, at the left side. Okay, now from here, you just need to open up one of your automations. So let's say I'm going to open this one, just my automation. And then let's say my automation is when a user sends me a message through Messenger, my chat would reply, do you need help? And if they say yes, then the AI would send to the customer, and if they said no, just click, if they said click no, they can the AI would just terminate the chat. So let's say we want to delay this, add a delay to the reply of our bot. So I'm going to delete the connection here, and then you just need to click on the plus icon here, and then just click on smart delay. Okay, now from here you just need to add the duration, the delay duration. So just click on this one and select whether the duration is seconds, minutes, hours, or days. So let's just say I want to delay it for minutes, and then I'll delay it for 30 minutes. Okay, and then you can also set this to continue every day. So let's say I'm going to continue this between 8 to 5 p.m. and then any day. You can just choose any day as well if you want. I'll just use every day. So next is you just need to connect your bot, this one here to this smart delay, then select the smart delay to this one. So every time a user sends a message, it would delay, and then it would cause a delay before sending a message to them. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.